PLO 3 is evaluation and assessment. Let's look at three artifacts demonstrating how I've developed my knowledge and skills in this area, and how these skills are applied in my work as a teacher trainer and EdTech integration specialist. The first artifact I'd like to talk about is my school evaluation summary from EdTech 501. Here I assess the technological landscape of four English training centers where I was working as the training director. I evaluated the technological integration in different areas of the school. I then provided school management with recommendations for advancing the center's technological maturity. This included expanding training and support for existing technologies. And now that I've transitioned into an EdTech integration role, I plan to utilize this model to evaluate the technological landscape at my new school as well. The next artifact comes from EdTech 597, Introduction to Machine Learning in Education. In this assignment, I used ChatGPT to generate Python code that was entered into Colab to help analyze data from an LMS dataset. So to do this, we prompted ChatGPT to generate Python code that would take the LMS data and group students into clusters based on similarities in their behavior and interactions inside the LMS. Utilizing ChatGPT as a coding assistant enabled me to leverage data analytics tools that would otherwise be inaccessible due to my lack of Python knowledge. For example, using data visualization tools in Python can help me gain insights into data and features. In this artifact, I used box plots and violin plots to identify patterns and relationships that helped me describe characteristics of the different clusters. I continued to use these data analytics techniques throughout my MET journey. In EdTech 503, I used it for my instructional design project and examined parent complaint data. I demonstrated this skill again in EdTech 512, where I designed an online course. I used data visualization to identify characteristics about my target participants. One of my key responsibilities as an EdTech integration specialist is maintaining our school's learning management system. By applying these data analytics skills that I've learned, I aim to explore LMS data and glean insights to enhance student outcomes in the future. The last artifact is my evaluation of my old school's online courses that I completed for EdTech 505. This evaluation examined the online classes that took place during COVID and aimed to identify how well these classes adhered to the company's standards. Utilizing a logic model helped to organize the different elements of the evaluation and help me see the alignment between goals, inputs, outputs, and expected outcomes, and also to assess which outcomes would indicate that the goals had been achieved. One of the most important parts of an evaluation is the final part where you communicate findings with the stakeholders and provide recommendations on improving the different processes so that way the program can improve on future iterations. My work on these artifacts has enhanced my ability to evaluate various facets of educational technology and its implementation. This skill improves my professional practice and enables me to make informed recommendations that drive positive changes in teaching and learning environments.